To make monthly payments on Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account, create one using the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main page where you can view your recent searches and favorite places to stay. To make a reservation with monthly payments, find the room you want to book by searching for a hotel and selecting one that suits your needs. Open the hotel's page, scroll down to view the available rooms and choose the one you want to reserve. After selecting your room, click on the reserve option and a new page will open where you can enter your details, such as who's checking in and how many people are staying. Scroll down to the payment methods section where you'll find the option for monthly payment. Click on this option and then select Continue to proceed with your booking. This will enable you to make monthly payments and you'll be able to see the total cost on the right side of the screen. Follow these steps to complete your booking and take advantage of Expedia's monthly payment option.